Hi, good day to all employer. My name is Judy Cabalanga from Philippines. I am 41 years old, a single mother of 3, ages 17 years old, 8 years old, and 6 years old. I am a high school graduate. I have an experience taking care of an elderly woman, aged 82 years old, for 3 years, from 2019 to 2022, in Singapore. She's the only one that I take care of. The old lady entrusted me with her children because they have jobs. My main duties and responsibilities are to cook and feed her, take her to the doctor for her monthly checkup, monitor and take her blood pressure, make her take medicine, and also support her morning routine, the exercise. Even when she wants to go shopping, I always accompany her. Cleaning the house, doing laundry, ironing, and other household chores, and also marketing are included in my responsibility. I treat the old lady like my mother, and she treats me like her daughter too. That's why I'm very happy taking care of her. Not only do I know how to take care of an elderly, as a mother of 3, I have also tried how to take care of the children. Just as I take care and love my children, I will do the same if I am chosen as a nanny. My qualities are dependable at all times, especially in housework. I am a flexible person. I am dedicated to my work. I am honest. I am kind. And I am trustworthy person. Ma'am and sir, if you choose me as your employee, I promise to give my best and work for you as long as you need me. Ma'am and sir, thank you and God bless.